How can you make arguably the most advanced DTF printer in the world even better? The DTF XPRESS just got an upgrade. If you remember my first video on the DTF XPRESS, it had this huge shaker oven conveyor dryer belt. Well, that's gone. This is the new look. The conveyor dryer belt, everything is all integrated. All of this, bye-bye. They took all of that and put it underneath. Yep, even the air filter. Remember this big old thing? They put it right there. And all that old tech with bottles and mess replaced with cartridges and vacuum pumps, which means this thing virtually does not clog. But someone else can tell you a little bit better than I can.
Hi, I'm Craig Spooner, Director of Sales for UNINET, and this is the DTF XPRESS 17-inch wide, fully auto maintenance printer. It's truly the next generation of DTF printers out there. It features 8 Ricoh heads in banks of 4. And when I say truly no maintenance, I mean it. The only thing that you have to do in the morning is you take out the 2 white cartridges and you shake them for 45 seconds and you put them back in. There are 2 cleaning cartridges in addition to the 2 white cartridges. And then you have black, cyan, magenta, yellow. Being cartridge-based means you have very little to no waste. And the fact that after 6 hours of inactivity, the head will slide over an auto wet cap using the cleaning solutions makes this thing bulletproof.
So tell me about the last time I came, this thing looks different now. Tell me about this new feature that you have, this all-in-one feature.
Yes, this is our new integrated shaker, which works directly in tandem with the DTF XPRESS. So it comes as this system with the base. So when you order the printer, you order it without the base, and then you get the integrated shaker. So what happens is after it prints, it's going to slice your individual graphic. So let's say it's an A3 graphic. It's going to cut it, and then it's going to drop it down into this area. And it's going to go underneath the system where it's going to be auto powdered, auto cured, and then you're going to have your sheet come out on the other side. Now, the difference between this and your standard shaker, which you can certainly use with this machine, is that at first it's a much bigger space saver. Secondly, if you use a standard shaker, you're going to have a lot more waste. Typically, you're going to have about 10 feet of nothing to string it up. And then at the end, it's going to roll instead of cut. Now, some people might want the roll, but we're finding that most people like the individual cut sheets.
Okay. And also, this is an industrial printer, yet it fits through a standard door and it uses a 110.
Correct.
Talk about that.
This is completely 110, both the integrated shaker and the printer itself. It can fit through a standard 32-inch doorway, so it's more like a prosumer type of system where you can use it in industrial settings or you can even use it in your house. Now, what's great about this shaker also, it's got a built-in fume extractor. So there's no fumes, there's no dust flying everywhere. It's a very, very clean and closed system. Yeah, it all happens magically underneath, and at the end, it just pops out and you're ready to press onto your garment.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. So yeah, is there anything else that we need to know about?
What's nice about the machine, because it's auto maintenance and auto circulating, is you don't really have to use it every single day. A lot of our customers use it maybe once a week. Now, most of them will use them every day because it's more of a high production model, but you don't have to worry about, oh my God, I got to use it every day or it's going to clog. That's not the case at all. These heads are built to work with this type of ink more so than standard Epson heads. And we really like this system, the fact that users are going to have no trouble whatsoever. In fact, when you set it up, we give you a 2-hour virtual onboarding, but the truth is you really don't need it, because once you put the cartridges in and turn it on, you have about 26 minutes, and then it's ready for your first print. Now, you can also hook it up via network, and traditional DTF printers have a direct connection from your computer directly to the printer. In this case, you can have a router in the middle. So it works on a traditional network instead of a point-to-point type of setup. In addition to that, it accepts a USB flash drive so that you can run and load your images right from here. And it's also Wi-Fi compatible.
Excellent, excellent. So I think that's it. Thank you very much. And this is I know that this is on the website. When will this edition be available to the public?
We're taking pre-orders now, but the availability is going to be January of 2026.
Excellent. Excellent. All right. Thank you very much.
Anytime.
All right.
So to walk you through it, it goes through the roll and then it prints with those 8 print heads right here, 17 inches wide, which gives you plenty of space for gang sheets. And then it comes out and it goes into this addition on the side. You can see it slowly coming out. And now it cuts it and then it rolls up and then it slides down. And it goes underneath, and that's where all the magic happens. And you come out here and it slides right out of the back. So it's literally push the button and wait, or set it and forget it. And there it is. That's our cat print. And we also did a gang sheet, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. And that's our gang print. But you know what, guys? It's time to get back to the studio. But first, let me explain something. Consumer versus prosumer. Most of the DTF machines you see are cheap stuff from China and more on the consumer level. They make them a dime a dozen, okay? This machine is a prosumer printer, okay? Meaning you could use it to do a t-shirt here, a t-shirt there, but you can also use it to do much higher volume. Look at these sheets, and this is just a few. This gives you the ability to make one print or gang sheets. So you can do low volume or high volume. Let's print one of these. Take our black tee. Of course, we're going to use our super ruler. Get it all aligned. You take your artwork, fold it in half, put it underneath, get it all nice and squared up. Add a cover sheet. Hit that button, baby. 300 degrees, 15 seconds, low to medium pressure. Come on out. Let's go ahead and remove that cover sheet. And then you peel. All right? Look at that. Astronaut. Beautiful. And hey, you ever see those ads for DTF transfers? Well, that could be your company. With this printer, it's a high volume printer as well. So you can take those, throw them in a box, top it up, add your label, and you take that thing to the post office. You're not a businessman, you're a business man. More information down in the description box, the DTF XPRESS, and make sure you watch this video on the DTF XPRESS. You're gonna love it. Finna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the dope. Peace.
T-shirt help, Brusk.